All right, everyone, the watch list video for Wednesday, January 22nd. The SPY had a nice gap up and a strong close. I think the Dow was up 537, it looks like, and NASDAQ about 126. What I was alluding to last week is kind of coming true. We're seeing sectors moving and individual names moving whenever Trump talks about whatever. You know, he's out there talking about, he moved Oracle today, ARM, and so that's kind of what I'm expecting when I say day trading is going to get better, right? If we're vigilant, we keep the news feeds on, we can catch whole sectors early, right? So that's what I meant last week. All right, let me slide this over, pause the video and read that. New members, I'm going to get it off there and go into what we're watching for Wednesday. VATE. Big rip today, closing off its highs, but we definitely want to watch that one. Now, this space I've been talking about, the baby nuclear plays that are going to be used, or the thesis is going to be used to power AI data centers, right? Which apparently require a lot of power. I think this space is maybe going to be talked about by Trump in the near future, but certainly it's being anticipated already, right? So OKLO, huge move, NNE, huge move, and SMR. So those SMR is kind of lagging. It's got some more room, to run than the others as far as recent highs. But anyway, let's keep this whole sector on watch every day, really going forward. BDMD, I'm not sure what to think of this one. I had this huge move here, 3-day pullback, a big intraday rip on Friday. Today closing, everybody above this price right here, if that's holding, is underwater, but you still had really nice volume on Friday, very little volume today. Could be a third day play and turn back up, so I do have it on watch. NUKK is already bouncing. I've been talking about this one. We're going to watch that one. LTBR generally used to run with those baby nukes I talked about. I believe they're fuel for them, and it's starting to curl up here. So it's kind of a sleeper pick, but if that sector gets going, let's not forget about that one. RDW, a huge move today. Anything space related, and I think that was also, from comments from Trump this weekend. Certainly, it's a hot space, right? So RDW is in there. We're going to watch that one. DXYZ is kind of my sleeper pick. You can kind of picture a trend line. Follow the tops of these candles. I could have drawn it, but I'm too lazy. And it is little extra volume today, and it's right into that trend line. And topped at a whole number 62 today. So over 62, you kind of have a trend line break. The space theme, because I believe they have a stake in SpaceX. So definitely we're going to watch that one, but it's kind of a sleeper pick because it feels like nobody's watching it. BTCT, Bitcoin play, big rip Friday, quiet inside day today, looking for a third day play there. Lunar, another space play, breaking out to new recent highs. RKLB, same thing, breaking out to new recent highs. So again, we're getting themes, right? That's what I was hoping for. VSAT, really strong volume and a pretty strong close. And then RGTI. I decided to pick one of the quantum plays because these were so beaten up thanks to the NVIDIA CEO just hammering the entire industry. And now I think you had this bounce, looked like they were rolling back over, right? And then this big rip today. Might have some shorts caught. It's also a little ahead of itself, but I'm going to put that one on watch too. And that's it. I'll see everybody in chat in the morning. We'll add some gappers to this list. Have a great night.